And let's go to our second page. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this thing, okay, and I'm gonna add a heading. I'm gonna see which font I like first. This is okay, and this time I'm gonna leave the font color to black, okay, and but I'm gonna increase the size. Sorry, not increase, decrease the size to I think 20. I think 32 is fine, okay, and I'm gonna add a photo frame section. And I'm gonna add one shape here, okay. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna see all, means I'm gonna see all the shape, and I'm gonna choose this capsule shape, okay, and I'm gonna change the color, let's see, to a bit darker color. I think this color is nice. I'm gonna arrange it. Okay, somehow like this. Okay, and I'm gonna go to text again, and I'm gonna add a subheading, and I'm gonna add type product page. This will be capital letters, and I'm gonna make the font color white, and I'm gonna rearrange it. There you go. So somehow like this, okay. So once they click the product page, they will go down here. This will be our product page. Or we will try to add a feature also. Once we click here, then we will go to our product page section. For the product page, okay, I have planned something. I'm gonna delete this line for now, and for now I'm gonna delete the image. We need this one. I'm gonna delete the image, not the frame, okay. So the product is now product page. This is like a, according to good brief, this is like a language, learning languages, right? So we have programs also, and I have designed that in this website, in this company, will be having programs also plus workshops also. Alright, so because they both have a different experience, okay. So first I'm gonna, let me just zoom in, and I'm gonna delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, and delete this one. That's it, okay. And overall, how many programs we have? Let's check. Okay, programs we have. Okay, so far I think we have 9 programs, but I will double check later. Okay, now for now let's add a subheading. Let me add a nice title. I think this is fine. Okay, I'm gonna ungroup this, I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna decrease the size of this font, and I'll just leave the color and the font. Now I'm gonna say programs, okay, because we have two types of learning platforms, program and workshop. Okay, so we in our workshop we have 8 workshops, and in our programs we have around 7 programs. Okay, and we can use the lined. I don't know. I'm not liking it. Okay. Okay. So for our product page, we are done. Okay. Now let's go to our enrollment page. So when the student wants to enroll some program or one a workshop, how the enrollment should be. So for now we'll delete this one, and we are gonna put this in the center, and we are gonna change the font, and we're gonna change the font color first, and we are gonna change the font. I think this is nice. Okay. Hmm. Okay, and I'm gonna arrange the text.